Around about a week or so ago, we moved this Blackcurrant Sage into a nice warm greenhouse, just to try and get a bit of growth going, just to try and convince it to grow a little bit quicker as we move towards Chelsea. Obviously we're a week closer, but it has worked. We've got a nice lot of fresh growth coming now. We're going to watch it. We don't want it to get too soft, but we're going to watch it. But what I'm going to do today is just cut it into shape, take any of the dead growth from last year out, just to make it a better shape. And obviously these are going to grow up, and hopefully it will make it for Chelsea. So I'm just going to cut just above the nice fresh green growth, and I'm going to do the whole plant, taking out any dead bits, because it's a nice, at the base of the plant, it's a nice bushy plant, so it's going to fill in these gaps all at the bottom quite easily. So it's just a case of working round, taking out, and this isn't the only plant we're going to do it to. We'll do it to quite a few of them, just so they look their best. There we go, so that's tidied it up nicely. We're going to move this back into the heat. It's growing really quickly now. The light levels are a bit better now as well. We're getting much longer days, so the growth is really coming along nicely. We've also going to put a little bit of feed on it just to give it a bit of a boost as it comes out of the winter as well. So as simple as that. Hopefully this will be one that is on our Chelsea stand.